Yes, ma'am.
Oh, wow.
Crack addict's definitely gonna love you.
Oh, yeah, it does feel good, doesn't it? And just breathe through your nose, don't bite your tongue. Yep, it's all about biomechanics.
They should be going by mechanics pants.
Yeah, that's a good idea. We should invent those.
That's a great idea.
Two more times.
Okay, Ladies, let's have you go ahead and lay on your tummy. This crinkleless paper is just not long.
You need more, you need more.
Oh, we'll get it done with that.
Is that the same one?
That's a fresh piece for ladies.
Okay.
Okay, legs are even. She's doing better than both of you guys so far. And they stay even. That doesn't tighten up too badly in your low back either, does it? So she's got a little bit of left SI right there and a little bit on the right, but not bad. A little bit tender right there in L5. Tight paraspinals in her upper lumbars, lower thoracics. Ooh, that's tender. You got a few ribs displaced in there with where they attach to your vertebrae in your thoracic spine. You got a cervical subluxation right there, right there. And you said you get headaches somewhat frequently.
Yes.
And your C2 is way off to the left right there. Do you feel that?
Me?
Yeah. Do you feel that when I'm pushing on?
What should I be feeling?
Well, it should probably feel a little tender right there.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
suppose.
Okay. So, now we got that straightened out. I'm going to adjust your SI joints. Now this is me taking it easy on you. Okay. There you go. Yes, ma'am.
Oh, wow.
You're going to be like Renee. Crack addict's definitely going to love you. There we go. Good. One more. There. Yes, ma'am. Still even. Probably still feels good.
Yep.
Okay, so I'm going to move up into your cervical spine here too. Straight P-Day on this one. You got a little less heavy-headedness on yours, so I'm going to lighten that up for you. There you go. Okay, now let's turn you on your back for me, ladies.
Whoa.
See, I got to do my exercises all day long in between patients.
On my back?
Yeah, I didn't hear you crinkling in the face paper.
No,
did you?
it's sprinkleless.
Yeah,
Here.
yeah. All right. Renee will be on Amazon as soon as you get out here on that. Good. Okay, slide down this way about an inch right there, and put both arms straight out to the sides. Yes, ma'am. So I'm going to adjust your AC joints, your sternoclavicular joints, and then your anterior costosternal joints. You said you had a lot of stress in your upper thoracic spine as well. This is probably because your ribs are subluxated with the thoracic spine and the sternum. Go ahead and relax your leg in my hand. There you go. And you should have felt that from your knee all the way up into your lower back.
That was great. I liked it.
Good. Bad girl. All righty. Okay, let's sit you up now. Face your fiance. There we go. Ooh, boy. Lots of crepitus in this shoulder here. There you go. Good. Ooh, this one too. Boy, yours and Renee's shoulders got quite a bit of life.
For sure.
Now, Lise likes to adjust her own cervical spine, so she's a little hypermobile there. So we're going to take it really easy on her when we do her manual neurospinal decompression. Looky there.
Love that.
Mm-hmm. Beautiful ring.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Okay.
Take it.
Lise, let's have you come over here. You get center stage now.
You ready?
Not ready.
You will be. You'll be all right. I don't have any heads on my trophy wall yet.
Am I where I need to be?
I'll let you know in half sec. Slide down. There you go. Perfect. You're just like Renee in the last two pegs. There you go. My plug keeps getting pulled out down there, so I have to plug it back in. Just let your legs relax a bit naturally with the table movement. It's how I advise most of my patients to start sleeping on their backs with their legs raised parallel to the floor. This flattens the lumbar spine out, changes the angles of the ilii. Okay, lift your
Yeah, that's great.
I haven't done anything yet.
No, I mean the way I'm laying.
Oh,
It's
yeah,
very
this feels
comfortable.
good, doesn't it?
Where should my hands be?
Right here. And just breathe through your nose. Don't bite your tongue. See there? That wasn't nearly as bad as you thought it was going to be, was it?
No?
See, you survived.
Yeah, I was so nervous.
Sorry, lay your head in my hands. See, I put more of a P to A thrust into this as opposed to a rotary thrust. Now, you've had your neck manipulated before. You
Yeah.
said you didn't like it much.
Yeah.
How'd that
It
feel to
wasn't
you?
bad. It wasn't painful or anything.
Yeah, good. Okay, so let's have you come over here, stand in front of the mirror so I can shoot you too.
Sounds like La Paz.
Oof.
I heard that one.
Okay, other side. There you go.
Face down?
Yep.
Okay.
You hear the Fortnite went down?
What?
What?
I think we...
You don't play Fortnite?
No.
Desiree?
No.
What about Minecraft?
No.
Call of Duty?
Nope.
Man, stuff out there. Red Dead Redemption.
I think the...
There's a rib. That one feels like it's out. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, put this hand under your thigh. There you go.
Give me a second. Okay.
What about a third?
Okay.
Second, third. It's a bad joke. That one's good.
Was it out?
Yeah. Is that less sensitive there now?
Yeah.
Yep. That was for fighting people in your sleep?
I don't know.
So you got predictions for this weekend. What do you got? You got Masvidal and Diaz.
Last time I went against Diaz, but I think Masvidal's, they're both really good, well-rounded. The thing that Diaz has that Masvidal doesn't have is the reach, and he has really good,
long
volume boxing. But I'm going for Masvidal.
Okay. See, I have a Diaz perception problem. So because he's been around the game for so long, I still remember him, getting leg beat up by Benson and Josh Thompson, and he's really improved a lot since then.
Yeah, for sure.
Look at his last few fights. He just beat Pettis. He beat Michael Johnson. Beat Conor when Conor was on his run.
Yeah.
And basically beat him with strikes. He choked him out, but he made him dive in because he was beating him with boxing.
Yeah.
And the second fight was pretty damn even.
Yeah.
So, I feel like I chronically underrate Nate Diaz now.
Yeah, I think so. I think that's my problem as well.
Because I saw he's evolved. He's gotten better, a lot better, and he hasn't fought that often. So, Masvidal has been well-rounded forever.
Yeah, but I also feel like Masvidal has kind of turned the corner as well. Cause
Yeah.
He used to be like a journeyman.
Well, he used to get ahead and just kind of coast.
Yeah, that's what I say. He's just.
And now he's going for the kill.
That's exactly it.
But can he kill Diaz? I don't think so. Diaz got an iron chin.
Dude, he plays possum to me.
Sometimes.
You just be thinking that you're wrecking him, and then he just comes after you.
So we had
Shut up!
And go the other way. What was that? Don't mess with the Zohan, where the guy pulls his foot up and slaps everybody's face. You never seen that one? Shh. You told me to be quiet.
I gotta concentrate.
It's not. I'm trying to be quiet. All right, drop your left shoulder down.
Oh God! So not.
What? Shh. Shh.
Ay ay ay! Holy moly!
Holy moly.
So what was wrong with me? Did you get it? Did you get it all?
Yeah. Let's stand up. You're gonna face that way. I got
Okay.
one more here. Both hands go here. Hashtag thumbnail.
Oh God! That wasn't bad. That one was
All right, see how the neck feels there.
way better. Like, what was out? I felt like
Yeah.
something was pinching.
You had multiple ribs on this side, and then it was jammed up on the top of the left.
Still feels a little tight, like right
On the right side,
right
or in the center.
here. I don't know. It's like
Okay.
weird. Like,
So sit right here.
Is it only when you turn your head around?
yeah.
Yeah, down that way.
Should have worn some waterproof makeup. Oh, you're crying.
Who else is on this card? Gastrol and Till. That's an
Oh
interesting.
yeah,
fight.
that's a good one. Gasoline
I'll
Till.
take Gastrol in there.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that reach difference, matters a lot. How's that feel in the neck?
A lot better.
You feel like you got that spot?
Yeah. Yeah. It feels a lot better.
Sweet.
Yeah. So I had ribs out
Yeah.
on this side. I don't know what
You didn't want to do MMA? Josh never wanted to do MMA? Never?
He's doing jiu-jitsu with me right now.
It's a 3rd-degree white belt.
He's white belt. But
4th-degree white belt?
he's
I'm a 2-stripe white belt.
I don't know. I think he's 2 or 3 stripe, but he's a really fast learner.
Yeah.
And he's athletically like.
Yeah, he's a
I
high
don't
school
know.
pro athlete, so
For sure.
So
you're gonna pick up sports quickly.
Yeah.
It didn't get into a fight or anything. So,
Physically.
Physically, but emotionally.
I didn't get into any emotional fights either.
Sometimes you gotta throw down, you know what I'm saying?
No, I mean, I just want to get cracked, to be honest.
I'm just here for some
Is
crack.
it a dinghy?
For the cracks, yeah. I have a problem now.
Crack addicts?
I used to not be. I used to just come for the muscles work,
Yeah.
but now I like the cracks.
Now she's a crack addict. Eliro.
Oof, yeah.
That one was off. Cool.
Oof.
I heard that one. I didn't hear any of the other ones.
I popped this one this morning by accident.
Cheater. That was a good one.
Yeah.
So right in there. Look down. Very good. Okay, so your low back. So go on your side facing. Are you guys working out or are you doing other stuff eating?
No, we're just gonna eat. I haven't been able to eat with her in forever because she's been in camp.
Yeah.
And so we're just trying to
Nice.
eat.
You know what? I think you both earned it.
I think so.
I think you good.
Yeah.
Nice kicks.
We're doing all the mukbang.
Bang.
Oh.
Okay, other side. You get a pretty good feel of body. It's like, how do you know what distance to throw a jab from? Well, you've done it a billion times. You know. How's that?
It was really good.
This one's gonna go? Yeah.
Ooh.
What was that? Your knuckle?
Yeah.
And wrist. So you're crooked, I say.
Am I?
Yeah.
A little bit.
Oh,
Yeah, I
no.
see your right foot
Fix
longer.
Yeah.
Me. Oh, yeah.
All right, let's go
That
back a
is
little bit
so
again.
crazy.
Right?
You could just see the difference.
Yeah, pretty close there. So this one, we gotta not get the hip. There you go.
Wow, that was amazing. Yeah, because you got the hip on this one, but not that one.
Yeah, so it's the difference in that much as far as your depth.
Yeah.
So you have to be much faster and less depth just to get the ankle.
Mm-hmm.
On this one, I moved probably maybe an inch further, and that was enough to get the hip.
Yeah. So now I'm even.
Yeah.
Okay.
Not even. See, before we'd have to call her Eileen.
That's my middle name.
Is it really?
Come on, Eileen. Well, you know what I mean. At this moment.
You're so cheesy.
He's so
You're lucky Elise likes the cheesy thing because she's over here laughing. I'm like, oh, shit.
Anything he says, I'm just like, So funny.
Your husband
And you're just like, okay, whatever you're into.
I'll take it. All right. Enjoy your food.
Thank you.